Discover the
And that's it. Our
secrets of
modeling is
investment
done.
success through
Now here's the
expert
key
financial
part.
modeling and strategic
According to
insights.
this, if I was actually investing $100,000 into land, I would still be generating a 6.1 cash on cash return. But we're not really putting $100,000 into land, are we? I'm going to show you what our true numbers look like in a second, but let me first show you what we put together to send to our lenders, to essentially get our lenders to throw money at us, because it's that effective. Here, comparable sales, comparable rentals, and construction budget. You ready to see this? Insanely powerful. All right, so the presentation is generated and I can scroll here from one page to the next, but let me show you what the whole thing looks like. I'm going to click get unique link, and this generates a unique web page for this presentation. I can email to my bankers, I can print this out, hand deliver it to a meeting, I can save it as a PDF, and I can email it as an attachment. But page number one is the executive summary. It tells a little bit about the project, a little bit about my company and our experience. If you don't have experience yet, this is where you can talk about your team. This is where you can talk about the market, right? So like, fill in the blanks. If there are blanks here and you can't talk about your experience, talk about the market, talk about your team. There's a map here, and I can zoom in and I can drive around the neighborhood, etc., etc. Here's my stabilized income and expenses. This is my pro forma. This shows my lender what this property is going to earn. 1,200 square foot units, $167 a month in rent, $2,000 a month, and this is my projected operating expenses. You can see we're right at 30%, which is very reasonable, right? But here are my monthly projected expenses broken out, and my net operating income, $2,800 a month. You'll remember back to our slides, this matches that. Next thing I'm going to show my lender is the short-term and permanent loan projections. This is what this property will be worth. This is my land value, construction costs, total cost basis. You can see, hey, lender, I'm only going to be into it for 81% of value, even with the full value of my land. This is how much I'm looking to borrow, and this is how much equity. Notice this says cash, but really this is equity that you're bringing into the deal. But remember, 100 grand of this is free land if you execute what I'm teaching you. And then this is the projected results once the property is built. Net monthly operating income, total timeline, right, to complete construction and to complete the refi, to lease these units up.